Hi family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. So fam, today we're going to be doing some red velvet cupcakes in preparation for 4th of July. This recipe is all you need to keep your guests entertained. So the first thing we're going to be doing in this recipe is to mix our dry ingredients. So we have our flour here. We're going to be adding our baking soda. We're going to be adding our salt. We're going to be adding our cocoa powder equally. And then we're going to give that a good mix. Just mix it till it's well incorporated. If you're done mixing, fam, the next thing you want to do is just set that aside and we're going to go on to the wet ingredients. One of the things I love about this recipe, you don't need a mixer, you don't need anything, just your spatula. First thing I'm going to be putting in my bowl is some buttermilk. You want to make sure it's at room temperature. Let's scrape everything from the bowl. We're not leaving anything. And then the next thing we're going to be adding our eggs, our sour cream. Sour cream is very important in this recipe because it's what is going to give you that moist red velvet cupcake. Then we're gonna go ahead and add a cup of sugar. You could add more if you want. You could put up to a 1.5 cup of sugar, but if you don't want it too sweet, 1 cup is enough. Adding some vanilla extract, vegetable oil, just give that a good stir. It's gonna be easier to blend the ingredients, so just use your whisk until your ingredients are well incorporated. Now we're going to be adding our red food coloring. We want to add 2 tablespoons. So we're going to go ahead and just mix that gently. Another thing I'm going to be adding here is some distilled white vinegar. That's gonna help give that bright red color. So fam, it's time for us to add in our dry ingredients. Let's go. You want to add that and gently mix until well incorporated. Put on your oven and let it be getting warm at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until your cupcakes are ready. So we're gonna gently mix that. If this is your first time here, you're welcome to Nancy's Cuisine, where we teach you how to cook delicious recipes from scratch. And also, do not forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bells. And there we go, fam. We've had the dropping consistency that we want. So we're gonna go ahead and just pour this batter into our cupcake baking cup. I'm going to be using my ice cream scoop because it's very easy to use. Just drop that there. And there we go, fam. Our cupcakes are ready. We're just gonna let that cool for about 5 minutes in this pan, and then we're gonna transfer it onto our wire rack. While waiting for our cupcakes to actually cool down, we're gonna go ahead and make our cream cheese frosting. So get your cream cheese, let it be at room temperature, and then we're gonna add in our butter, 1 stick butter or about 8 tablespoons of butter. So fam, we're gonna go ahead and cream our butter and cream cheese. And once you cream it until it's well combined, add in your powdered sugar, a little at a time, cream it, and then you add more. Once you've added all your sugar, we're gonna go ahead and add some salt and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Go ahead and just mix this. This is exactly the consistency we want. Okay, so let your cupcakes actually cool completely before you do this. So what we're going to be doing now is to color some cream cheese frosting. I'm going to use blue coloring. Thank you so much, family, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.